In a bold move, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga rejected a proposed bill in cabinet prioritizing the interests of Zimbabwe's masses over political risk. The bill, put forward by Ziyambi, faced opposition from Chiwenga, who deemed it detrimental to the very people supposed to serve. Sadapina mashoko budanyoka pangwa ine chitauka pamusoro zvichinzi People's Champion VP Chiwenga rejects Ziyambi controversial bill in cabinet. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timba penda ya Isaac Makomish amdanyira chiti. Chiwenga's decision underscores his commitment to people-centric leadership. He recognized the bill's shortcomings and the lack of public consultation, ensuring the voices of Zimbabweans were not silenced. Hanzi Mukanya vakazoti, kana bill renyu richidiwa nevanhu, then it must go through a referendum, emphasizing the need for public participation. This move showcases Chiwenga's willingness to take a stand, even amid potential backlash. The rejection highlights key aspects of his leadership. People-first approach, prioritizing citizens' welfare over personal or political gain. Principled stance, standing firm in issues despite potential risk. Commitment to democracy, ensuring public participation in crucial decisions. Chiwenga's action resonate with the Zimbabweans seeking leaders who champion their cause. His decision serves as a beacon of hope for a more inclusive and accountable government. As Zimbabweans watch closely, Chiwenga's bold move sets a precedent for leaders to prioritize the people's voice. Doma developments anomudanyo kwa pangwa ino zvichitaurwa na Makomich pamusoro pa VP Constantino Chiwenga vachiresista aiwa ma-amendments arikuda kuitwa nezvigananda. Pinda comment section medu zvafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.